This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Raise the bonnet slightly, lift the safety catch lever, then fully open the bonnet. Unclip the prop from the engine compartment bulkhead and engage the end with the bonnet hinge bracket. Pull the plastic cover on the top of the engine upwards to release the mountings. Undo the Torx bolt, release the clamps, disconnect the air ducting and move it to one side. Unclip the wiring loom, undo the Torx bolt and remove the air intake duct from the front of the air filter housing. Prise out the yellow locking catch. Depress the clip and pull the wiring plug from the airflow meter. Unclip the wiring loom, then pull the air filter housing upwards from its mountings. Disconnect the drain hose from the base of the filter housing. Undo the retaining bolt and remove the filter clamp. Place absorbent rags around the filter to collect any spilled fuel. Then squeeze in the sides of the locking collars and pull the fuel hoses from the top of the filter. Release the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the base of the filter. Slide the locking collars from the old filter and push them into place in the fuel hoses. Note that the collars and hoses are different diameters. Unscrew the heater element from the base of the old filter. Transfer the old heater element to the new filter. Tighten it securely by hand. Reconnect the wiring plug to the heater element. Remove the caps from the pipes on the new filter. Then firmly press the fuel hoses onto the pipes into their original locations. Ensure the locking collars engage correctly. Position the filter in the bracket, then refit the clamp and tighten the retaining bolts securely. Press the drain hose onto the base of the air filter housing, then manoeuvre the housing into position. Press the filter housing firmly downwards into its mountings. Connect the air intake ducting to the filter housing and secure it with the Torx bolt. Clip the wiring loom back into place. Refit the air duct, tighten the clamp at each end and secure it to the front panel with the Torx bolt. Reconnect the wiring plug to the airflow meter, then press in the yellow locking catch to secure it. Clip the wiring loom back into place. Lower the engine cover into position, then press it down firmly into its mountings. Disengage the prop from the bracket and clip it into place on the bulkhead. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure. Prime the system by switching on the ignition 3 times for approximately 15 seconds each time. Operate the starter for a maximum of 30 seconds. If the engine does not start within this time, wait 5 seconds and repeat the procedure. When the engine starts, run it at a fast idle speed for a minute or so to purge any trapped air from the fuel lines. After this time, the engine should idle smoothly at a constant speed. If the engine idles roughly, then there is still some air trapped in the fuel system. Increase the engine speed again for another minute or so, then allow it to idle. Repeat this procedure as necessary as the engine is idling smoothly.